Welcome back to InFlow Technology's Day in the Life PDM Administrator Series. In this video, we're going to be going through backing up your SQL database. Backups are critical for any administrator. Whether you are preparing for an upgrade or simply protecting your environment, this is an invaluable process for you to understand and be confident in executing. The whole thing begins in your SQL Management Studio. After we log in using an administrator level account, find the database you want to back up. Right-click on the database, go down to Tasks, and select Backup. The first page is the general information about the database. We can select a different database to backup if we choose the wrong one. Additionally, we can choose the backup type. For example, we can do a backup of the differential if that's all that's needed. I'm going to stay with a full backup. We can choose the destination as well, whether that's on a drive or saving it to a URL. When we select Add, we can specify the path, the file type, and the file name. For backups, it's typically recommended that a backup be saved on a different drive than the original. That gives us the redundancy and keeps us from putting all our eggs in one basket. Under Media Options, I want to highlight the reliability features. When we check to verify backup when finished, SQL will check the file and make sure it is readable. That way, we know the file can be used in case we actually need to use it. We have more options under Backup Options. We can give the backup a name and description. We can also set backups to expire after a certain point. This would be useful if we're using rolling backups and this is a scheduled task. Finally, we click OK, and the SQL database will be backed up.